Before you start working with Microsoft Excel, especially Excel formulas and functions, there's a key concept called cell referencing, which you must understand. Now, cell referencing is of three types. We have the relative cell referencing, fixed cell referencing, and mixed cell referencing. So let me show you how this works in Microsoft Excel. Here we have a bunch of apps called Game App, Utility App, and Productivity App, broken down from quarter 1 to quarter 4, and we're trying to get the total in column F. Now to get the total for each app, I'll come to cell F2, type equals sum, and just select this B2 to what? E2. I close the bracket or parenthesis and hit enter, and boom, we are getting the total for the game app for quarter 1 to quarter 4. Should I do the same scenario for utility app? No. Let me just come here and drag down, and you notice we get a bunch of total different from the first one, but seems correct though. Let's check it out. Now let me press F2 on my keyboard, and you notice my cell is reading equals sum B2 to E2. That's B2, C2, D2, and E2. Press escape, come here, press F2. Notice the sum is still working B3 to E3. How did that happen? By default, cell referencing called relative cell referencing. So Excel automatically shift this formula down when I dragged down earlier like this. So it moves automatically. You know what is called relative cell referencing. Now let's take it a little bit further to fix cell referencing. Let's assume we want to get a grand total for each word for all up to the 4 quarters. You can come to this cell equals sum and just select this cell and drag down, close it. Quite simple, sum 2644. Now let's assume we want to get the percentage for each app based on the total using the word the grand total. That means we'll come to cell G2 equals F2 divided by what? This grand total. Like it's enter. And we get the result of what? Result of 10%. Now let's drag down for utility app and productivity app. If I come here and try to drag down to the third cell, I get a bunch of errors. Div 0. Now let's check it out. If I come to this cell and press F2, you notice F2 is dividing what? F5. That is this total for the game app is dividing the total for the word, the grand total for audio app, and it's giving us the correct answer. Let's press escape. Now let's come here and press F2, and boom, the cell shifts for the 3D app is shift from F2 to F3, but the F5 also shifted to F6. But we don't want that. We always want the what? The F6 to be what? The F to always be what? To always be F5. Now how do I do that? That is where fixed cell referencing comes in. I'll go back to the first formula, come here and press F4 on my keyboard. When I press F4, you notice it's add a $sign to the column F and add a $sign to row 5. When I hit enter, I come back here and drag the formula down, and boom, we're getting 53%, 37%. Let's check it out. When I come back here and press F2, and now this is now moving. So the $sign here at the back of the F and the $sign here at the back of the column 5, make sure that this cell remains what? Remains fixed. And that's where fixed cell referencing comes in. I can press escape. Let's check this one. F2, same thing, fixed. And let's confirm if it's giving us 100% total here equals sum. I just copy it down, close the bracket, and enter. I'm getting a percentage of what? 100%. Next video, I'm going to work with what is called mixed cell referencing, which is a little bit trickier than the relative and the fixed type of cell referencing. Find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, save this poll right now, and follow for more. Bye for now.